Keblai pi baro syakatup khubor jengi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi Shillong. Ujor ki Bishop ke Meghalaya syaka Law Commission ke India. Jungo uminteri rangba u Konrad ke Shillong light krok sin adi. Kem ki pulit pulbari lightly ki bolero ki bakit moy. Bat en penlong yakop kura hari boy lembong. Bat mentangin pa syaki khubor bakam benya. Sangwut ki Bishop negi jalan yam ke Meghalaya ki berkentup yu Most Reverend Victor Lingdor, Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Bishop Jos Chirakal, Auxiliary Bishop of Tura, Most Reverend Wilbert Marwin, Bishop of Nongstoin, but Most Reverend Ferdinand Dekar, Bishop-elect of Jawai. Haka khat artarik Naitung ki latho ki jing ujor syaka Law Commission of India ban penpau ke jing persya alor ke jing temu ban wanra ya ke UCC Uniform Civil Code haka ni keri. Kini ki Bishop kila penyeng nia ye ki jing ujor jengki halor kini ki nongrem. Ki an shimet jeng ki jat benre babon jat kari India kimi bat ki suthet na ki jinget niam bat ki dustur ki riti ki ba ka article 25 kari India ka buram bat ka nyau kor ye ki jat benre ban penyat penhe pensan kat kum ki jinget belai jengki. Kariti sensyar kari India lingba ki articles lais pa saupway bat lais pa saupuar bat ke 6 schedule ka aibor ki riu lom babon jat ban penroy lede. Ka UCC lani ka Uniform Civil Code kan penjat thiaw ye kini ki hok tenrai baro jang ka jat ban riu kari. House nem arjar khatpra ka 21st Law Commission of India kalapen pau syai bagajing wan ra ya ka UCC hakani kapor kamlong ka bedon kam bat ka basai so kumta labu teng no ya ka jing ai jing mut ban wan ra ya ka UCC lani ka Uniform Civil Code hakate ka snem. Halor kini kinongrim bala kedaw haning ni penpau ka jing persya ban wan ra ya ka UCC ka Uniform Civil Code ka ba ka sarkar ka temu ban penjat ya ka jing long kelut mensim kari India ka ba pediang penroy bat ya dai ki kenhun jat benriu babon jat ki bala imsuk bat imsain baro shikata hakini ki post nem bangila sensyar dalade.
Ni su yublei naman ni de ki nong song jong kene ka ri India jungi bat hang ni por India jungi ina juyo berbore kalat ban mani belai daga belai luon ban ni imru ya kita kiriti ki dustur ki jungi hari India kam gudan kuno ka jingte ka jikho bat ni doi ru yublei bakat ya long berbor kumta bat nilai i bakadan kini ke jing angut jong ka circle kebe ban to introduce ni monra yakini ka Uniform Civil Code for India ibrakaway kini kala kata ya jing snow bujuni bat ni dan katu kini tri benta ki bangi ko apan pen snow bat ki bishop jangi auxiliary bishop jangka Tura diocese nang tau bishop jangka Nongstoin watch bishop jangi nang tau bishop elect jangka Jawai diocese ru kila sign nang ye ko we ka chiti akabala tho chaka shaw member secretary jangka Law Commission jangka India halor jong likely kiman kabaningkom kade halor jong ka jingmani ka balai luon ka bamangi ra juyo paras kata bat ni kwa hu bakan de ban yelong kuta kamtam ngiran ruki ki an ki ban sakta egi kamtam ye ka an chokha shaman ki jungi namar ha ki katli jungi ngiran je ka weker kom ha ka bamangi ngile kum ki bangai ha play kum ki kristan kum ki katolik tikum ta ngi so ban ong kawe ki jang mudi lomba ki bamangi le ha ka badai ba ka jungi ki jungi ashong ha ka shaman ki jungi kide kita ki bamangi ngira joile paras kata ban ngidan ru ya ka jiada ka bakarbang no ka an ha ka badai pat kide tega jang mudi ki lomba ngide ban yo ban mani la dot ba de kirul ki an ki badan ha ka balang ya taru la buram berbor daka sarkar India tikta ka de ka wei tiga jingkli jingklong hatul da kawan kini ka UCC kandon em ka jingta kum ye kita hakabade ber ka jingai ka baan ka mengingi song namang ngidi kinong song snong jo kini ka Meghalaya bar kum kinong song snong kum ka jai ban rio ka ba imang ni po ka jilla Meghalaya ngidon ru ye kiristi ki dustur ki bara judan hangni kini ka UCC ni kini Uniform Civil Code kan wanra ne em ye kita ki jingkla naman misu manong wala da mengingi de ki kersan Henry ngibat yi kita ki riti ki dustur ki ba ngilayo ne ki long chwa man chwa te kita ki di kuwe ki bentaru ka makusan ba haka jingi kersan jungi haka jing im jungi kum ki nong shong hang ni po Meghalaya te kita ki di bentar ka ba ar ka makusan kawang ni ko pau hapoka shaka sarkar India nang taga balai kawang ni ko ban ong lada hakini ki por ki bradep ka kani kari ke jungi kalayan hoi na si gidong katuk ni ki jingduna hakinu kinu ki an la re ha ke jinda ya ki kintei le ni ki khna le kadu nu ko benta jong an lada pishem kumi kita bagidang kinu kinu ki jingduna ni suo ban ong ba de ban pembe kita ki jingduna daga bashon rabe daga we ga ba ka balong uniform lut ya bro ngasu ban ong ka hari India jungi ka kani ka jinglong bangi ong ta ka unity in diversity ka jinglong jiatli hapdeng jong buon ki jinget buon kita ki riti ki dustur kani kita ki jingrus pa jong jong kari India tingi ni dawai ban ni ngets kamba kata ka UCC kan nomor rapat kita ke wajib ke jingkala hukum kini ki benta ke bakta ke jinget ke jungi ke bakta ki riti ki dustur ki jungi tingin jai dawai hi bahkan nomlong kumta hakam mengi kup kino shong jong India kani ne berbori kata ke jinglong hakam mengi ni mane daga hagur kam ka blai loy bat ni bat ekirti ki dostor ki mengi layo ne ki long chua ki man chua haka jingam jugi hang ni apo Meghalaya digini gidi taki ke bangi ko pen pau ka chupi bar ko mengi la tho haka shiti kumbaki bishop kilasan te de hlo jugi to ki nolam ki mengi ko pen pau shak bertai kumjuru shaka law commission jong kari India kublishibo ni ada pha yakani ka shiti shaki media houses shaki print media ada pha shaki media ada pha yakani ka shiti ke bala sign tigi samut ke bishop
am shakane ka law commission te
ni ada pha ha shaka law commission ru ni ada pha ko mangila yo kuduka email ke website tigi la pha shaka law commission ru
te fi pha bitang shaka law commission ne fi pha lang ba ya ka state government national ro ne
shaka state government tingi mishim la pha hande shaka law commission tigi la pha
so fada thara hedu kan no ka kata kan ka UCC la da ka trikam
kumolong mentati namar ba ka nong kuno batai kata ka draft lo kan sisa ti henrei la shupa ngatrai hapoki la shupa la si ha ka website tangi gijing kedi bu ta tater ti kita gidi gijing berkhat ke juni ti henrei kumbangi long mentati ngi trangim dan ni ke malong akti ka ba mengi la ban comment lo jugito
kane ka jingtho jongpi ka dei ba pi persha be ha baro khat ka India ban pantri kam ne tang hapo jela Meghalaya na
ka concern juni te kade hi yangi hapo Meghalaya namar ba kiwi ki benta kiwi ki nong nakaliang jong ka CBI ru ka lapan ie concern tenang ta ki bishop ru kila tho la ka jong angni te kamu kajing persha juni hi ka kade hi mdei tang hapo Meghalaya na trela ta ka long ka bala ikan debe hi ba ko ikri India hi
Menteri Rangba Ukonrat Kisang Mau lalit jungo iko office jong ka khat arch nong light cross sin adi haga khat sau terik banwa jing tip jing penteri kam yi skim babonjat ka ba ka sarkar kala penteri kam hakis nem balala na ka bentaban kentiu ki pai ba habaro kiliang haka long briu man briu bad haki imlang salang haka jing ekren biki officer jong kani ka office Menteri Rangba ulayo ka jing batai bat jing penchai halor ki kampen roy hasnong light mau siang bat light soplia Dala ki jong ki khaman ulalet pet yakini kishnong artali ban yoi ki jing pentre yiki kam shis pasngi MGNREGA. Kabalapin phalang bat penthabai yakini kishnong. Menteri Rangba ulalet ang benengru ban pet kai ki jing itana jong kamariang bat kilho jong kini kishnong khamtam lele yakitin am masi viewpoint yam viewpoint bat kiriat be ithiang jong kishnong lat bring au. Ula ai jing mot ikinong ilam jong ki village organization bekin pen bhai kudukan di jing bam kenang bekinong pet kai kamariang syakani kathan kinju bat kinsa ken mau ha jing em jong ki ula yero ikjing tre jong kani kasin adi bat ikjing ko ongo jing ki pai ba kini kishnong ki bala bot ikjing batha bat jing hikai jong kani ko office Menteri Rangba ulay thuru baka sarkar kan wengi ikjing kerdu jong kishnong sora bat kishnong ki badon saudong jong ka hakini ki por bandang wan
Put this one. Okay. So just put it as an additional one. Okay. I'll tell the contractor to do this one. Just the children's park. They doesn't have to put open gym, but we'll do the children's park.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. I saw the parking. Yeah. So you want to level that and make it parking. Expand also. And the road. You mentioned the road also. You want to make the parking yourself only? Yes. Or is it the? Yeah, just make sure of that. So what we need to figure out is, as I said, I want to develop this into a slightly more modern look. So if this is, even if it's in this PWD, no problem. PWD build it and we'll lease it out to them. Whatever, or give it back to them, whatever it is. But we won't charge them for it. But I think we need to just do this stuff. We can have a word with them. Along the way, I just want to do that. Along the way, all these places, locations, wherever we have this kind of places, how can we give it a lift? Just make it the same thing, same people will run it, everything, but it just look better. That's all. So I need to do that. I need to figure it out. So you have to give me the roadmap. Give me the proposal. Tourism, landowner, location-wise, everything. Then number 2, apart from infrastructure, these same people, we need to give them soft skills. I would like to give them a training about just a simple thing about hygiene, simple thing about cleanliness, something about courteous. We have courteous already, but how can we polish it up and make it better? So I want to do these 2 things: infrastructure improvement and the manpower of skill. Can we just work on that? Just let me know. We'll give the full support from tourism from everywhere. So we are here in Lights of Flare, and we have come to see the different kind of infrastructures in tourism and how to improve the overall infrastructure and overall experience for the tourists. This of course is an area which has got huge potential, and hence we feel that by ensuring that we are able to improve the basic infrastructure here, we're seeing the shops. We would like to see that how we could make it better, provide better infrastructure, better experience for the tourist, cleaner systems out here, more trained people. So our same people will be running this place, but they should be, or they can be trained a bit more in hospitality, so that the experience for the tourists ultimately improves. So today I'm going to multiple locations to check this out and improve the basic infrastructure like parking areas, toilets, footpaths, the roads, all these basic infrastructures to be improved all along this circuit of Sora circuit, and as I said, and how to create employment through tourism by ensuring that we're able to promote the local shops, we're able to promote the local VOs or SHGs by providing them training and different kind of machinery so that they can make tourist related products like souvenirs. So all these are being looked into, and I'm happy that I've got a very, very positive response from the people out here, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to take tourism and the entire experience of the tourist to a new level, and through that create better employment opportunities for the people living in this area.
Water scarcity is a problem here because we have no proper source of water. As of now, I would say in summer, so much of rainfall we receive, but we cannot capture rainwater. The reason is that we don't have the capacity to build water tanks to harvest rainwater. So also we have approached our MLA, and he has given an assurance that we will work hard so that the work, because we know that water has to come here from a faraway place. So to speed up the work so that we avail this basic necessity. So we hope that you will work together with our MLA, and we hope that in years to come we will get this basic necessity. Thank you, sir.
So I would like to inform all of you that the SWARE Combined Water Supply Scheme, which is targeting 8 habitations, including this village, has already been sanctioned at an amount of 47.5 crores. So almost 48 crores has been sanctioned, and the preliminary work order also has been issued. So I expect the water supply work to start very, very soon. 5,000 per month, 6,000 per month. This is another product that is made with millet. This is millet horlicks, they're calling it. So basically, again, you just have to mix it with hot water, and obviously you get all the nutrition that you can get from the millet, and therefore it's again a very unique product, and I'm really impressed with this the VO, the work that the separate groups are doing, the innovation that they're doing, and we'll be very, very happy as a government to give them full support so that they are able to increase their production and also to package the products in a better manner so that the market linkage also gets better. And we should be promoting these products in all our tourist destinations. So I really congratulate all of you and thank all of you for your initiative and assure you of all the support from our side to take the products and make the whole production even better.
Kipulit ke Pulbury Station hagakat South Rek Naitung kilayo kiam lai tali ki kali bolero ki bakit moit banchalan sa Bangladesh. Kani ka kali kalakintiu kini ki moit nasionong Pathar Kata Shahalu Daiganj Bandetu sa Bangladesh. Kipulit ki labat ikini ki kali kat bakidang yat na surok ba a Pulbury. Labat ikini ki kali ki moit bat ikinong nya. Kijing thokit kidang yat syakmat ban labru ya ketenrai nang no bat chanu en penhat ikini ki mrat. Hagajuk kapor kidang wat ru ikibriu ki badon keti hakani kakam kayitu. Karibhoy Boxing Association hagajing lang bat ke Meghalaya Boxing Association kan penlong ya kerinsan ya kura boxing kabalatip kum ke Boxing Federation of India East Zone to Elite Men Boxing Championship arjar apulai hakakat nyau haduk kat kendai terik unailar hamadan yelek kai kurkalang boy lumbong. Kani ke Lumpung Yukura kade ke Sin ke Beningkong ba Karibhoy Boxing Association kan penlong hakakerdan district level. Hakani ke Lumpung Yukura N1 Chimbenta di kinong ikun na West Bengal, Assam, Sikkim bat Meghalaya bani kini yakanam lado.
Option boleh alasan minta kita duit ini yang jual seperti kalau biar file boleh boxing dulu di pasar itu kan mau bisa berapa tahun nah. Nah kan ini untuk meminta nih pak franchise bi pak bilang kajing tunggu bang ini perlu ya tak izin championship ada boleh sendiri. Kemudian yang tadi sudah dapat mau. Kita kan belum harus naik agos lalu kami harus kena dari itu agos agak pelan. But hari ini championship kinon sementara ada South League States. Pertama napo West Bengal, Sikkim, nanti apa Jela Assam, Batunjur atau Jela Meghalaya. Apa ni pada yang mentang dan apa ni pagi lain dan critical parts yang mentang dan IT hari ini rekod ni barari membatai kalau kita.
Waktu untuk di state jong Ribuai district association si Kongmasha Dokling, Baklendang, bukan Baklendang sebelum asal state jong Ribuai association. Untuk ni jong kami di ex-president jong Ribuai association, kita lebih baru di ulang advisor jong Ribuai association ta. Dia dan dia dekat contoh maruai dalam sekretari dalam Ribuai association. Misalnya kemana aku apa na kalian Ribuai association sebab tu Ribuai association ka mungkin organize ya ka BFI zone elite dan boxing championship sekarang lalu kami ada baik menaik atas ajar kau angkai kurkalang ground keba atau boy lumbong dia kinong isu mentah kendal naik diwit ini dalam Sabuka, Santuai, Sabusau, Santinyo, Drepong, Drepulai, 0.5 and then 67 Drepong, Nyokwe, but Nyokusan. Dia mana kini state sebenarnya kita kena kenaiut, kinong batu bagian yang compete, yang kena competition sekarang, bagaimana kakak di Boxing Association. Baru tinggal di officials, di technical officials sebenarnya lagi di states, lagi di states baru untuk jaka jelajuni. Dia so kini ketika kebuksian yang ini kena seperti kena jadi di badan dan kami di competition sekolah di competition seperti Kansas State. Ketika kebuksian apa? Yaki bagian negeri kata sapong jongki di competitions. Iso kemen ya jika ada ini blok yang di bawah. So telah lagi di competitions. Baru ingin aku buat larang ilah atau buat media boxing nations imut bantuan yang national level competition too. Kemudian kini kalau katung berjumpa jangka media boxing nations waktu juga ini di stage boxing nations yang hebat bah yang kerja itu competition jangki lagi jong. dia tak ni nga so ai play session dari boxing association kalau tuan punya tingkat bagi tu dalam dia boxing jam berpeluang ya dia pai isun mantilik boxing championship aja Abdullah Al-Tehab total bro.
Tapi lawan batai kendiat habe dei bat permission la neka jingyo jingbet bat pelong ikan neka ya kan neka tournament lawan batai kendiat.
Batai kalian permission nak kalian kami dari boxing itu ngilawan dei kudu dari isi ini di Indonesia. Kita kalian juga masuk dulu ya kami ai kata asuransi bagi kalian ya kan ni. Nah, bagi keluarga dari Arab ini bentar kita ibaratkan bukan bagi kita dari boxing bentar kemudian yang kita championship. Bakunjung nak kalian isu ini, begitu isu yang berikutnya, di dalam pusat bubut kami yang berbeda ini, lah bakal file document lah proses hikmat, bila proses korrektif, bakunjung di komentar kita dalam apa kasih ya sekarang ini, hari ini bahwa bakunjung nak kalian diri wilayah sangat penting, jadi bukan antara kita bakal tekan perlu kali apa merangkul kolam. Nanti kalau berumur nak kalian macam nanti jadi hal bukti masih apa mungkin dah itu menjadi mungkin menjadi senang pendeknya itu kita dua ini kita ada bagi kalian semua ini dari yang dikatakan orang perempuan dari boxing dan kan dengan juga bela boxing ini saya kan prinsip kedua terbentuk waktu itu kalau mungkin first time dengan kasih polisi apa ini kita termain sebagai paculan menurut dengan first time bagi kalian teman kadang rakyat kita tahu bagaimana bahkan rakyat kalau boleh nanti di nak sama dengan pas kita kan dari boxing berpoin senang bah nanti kalau future di wadah itu kaitan dengan itu
Kesurok National Highway 40 Hajorabat kebetulan Hakaput Meghalaya bat Assam man kesin bajur ulap bat lapsan ke kelalong ke Tway ba ke bejubu ye ki kali ki bahir bakiu sya Shillong bat Jagirot ha ke soksat ke bakrawi ki nong lek nong wan haba kini kesurok ke Shillong ki kali kimla banyak lingba na kini kesurok namar kini kesurok ke don Hakaput jung ki arteli ki jella ke sorkar Meghalaya ni ke Assam kampatiau ban maramot kini kesurok kipat bak ki kelas sok pedung na kejinga tansi jung kini ki sorkar arteli bat kamariang kalong kenrat habat her ulap bak lapsan Kasing san pertai bertemai Voice of the People Party VPP haga jingelam jong ba Arden M Basayomot MLA President bat ubak Bright Star Well Marbanyang MLA kilawan Shamairang haga khatsau tarik Naitung ban penlongi ke jingelang Hatirot Singh Memorial Hall pendeng umyong ban pensyai pat ba halor ki nongrim ki mat trekam bat ki jing ang not jong kini keseng ban wan ra ke senchar khadar ka bakot basubah ki sinem ban wan Haka juk kapor kini kinong ilam ke VPP kila kro bat kringi ki pat ba shinrang bat kentei ki samla samhoi bantur syakmat ban penyeso elade kum gidukot hakani keseng ki pat ba ki babun belai kila boy shikini ke jingelang pat ba bat de ki spa angut kila rung dukot hakani kesngi syakaseng VPP Kamairang kadai ke ketem baklan bah ubak met ba lingdo MLA bat President keseng United Democratic Party UDP kabai lang menta ba kesorkar MDA2 Empat tip dikenal lagi ni kirang ba kilong kami berkisam lagi berung dekat cakap VPP kidai ni ki dekat jangka UDP mencua.
Pemerintah kitip bakit ho kana tang somang upra. Katsole kipat ba kita bang idei bang ai pra no yaki. Kamu pengen berkit pra. Malah kau ikut TV. Dengan pemut pengen marah agak parti ke sini agak konsekuensi. Katsole pengen Iya kata kecing kerang, iya kata kecing anggur. Mereka ini dah kuapa. Naga itu jadi itu mungkin orang. Ia dah kerang. Bahawa biru masyarakat parti Penrung da ka jing snow to ka shai kamne ba shu snow shongshit kamne ba shu don makuntu munu ngai ga dei ba ba don ka jing snow to nala di shimet baling rai dan preso ba ka voice of the people party lani kata ka VPP ka bangi comment ko bara ka tin khasi ngyong ka sur ka jo pat ba ka jinang du ka jo pat ba ya kata ka jingkala aga sinshar ka khara ya kata ka jingkala ka bangi yi hangni ka ri ka ite ka jing habakan wanno kata ka jing sngan ka bangi bujri no haga jaka jong ka jing ritmen sim kanwanno kata ka pahu ka pahai haga jaka jong ka jing kurdu kanwanno ka jing rit ka jing biang haga kamai ka kaji haga jaka jong ka jing do kam do jam kanwanno kalahat ini kibarit kibaria amtang kita kibadon bor lani kibabit kibabiang katakan ngere ke jingla kalau kipat ba kikimi leti dai mar kata rao nilai keleng-keleng man pensyai kipat ba lagi kipat ba hi kiskam na jingot ke jikhat yem dan jing artotin baga jingla kanwa hila pengingo kundu kini ke VPP kadang keleng-keleng ban pelong ni kejilang pat-pat haba ka election kaladak kila jot sawut kiamli namar nila on nila sengnya ke VPP omdai tang bangin yere election ni sengnya kena ke seng bangin yeng bangano ke jingkerman ni ke jat beliau ni yeng bangin khoni ke hok ke jungi pat-pat ni yeng bani khone ka hok chong di banet kibaria ki usale be namar kata yang ni kamde tang bangin ni election election ni ka pinta ka bon shisin samsna ni habe khone ka election namar ni ko ban kurup di kata ka porsin sha ni ko ban shong hi dalani hangte po secretariat banora kian banora ki kanon ki ban ya daringi ki ban prininti yang ni ka kam ka jam ka kamai ka kaji Umaga mata pi ke baca kini ki hukum naga sarkar kiba khiyat jingi pai ba ki hukum ki bang sange no katrai katu labiang wala rafim padio ka kamai ka kaji kiba kini no ye ka bela kasni jong barit ubaria bagi ba perpai pa jingi ki jing kamai jong barit paria tangsha koi ka longi lani so yu hespa agani gari gari la katni ngama la katni ngai tingko ngin slow tho shu lano pat ngin slow tho kabangin dai ban thium haba ka bani ke swa ngi don gam yo swa tenai ngim don du ya por bangin sange nanta ka banai bari ka banai swap ni saplong jilan ka kam ka ba bangin ban yak pe hapring uslap hapring ke jingkhya hapring ke jishit tenai bri bangi shakri rai ke ga omtang nanta ne hamal lagi jilan ke bangi ni perlong KHUBOR Maleng Kim Jula ban pentot dari ban penuit ngasngi di ban aing di play nantakani kajing tulhu ka kerpan ka jungla baki pada anda keleng-keleng kisang man isyana ay keleng tiga jungla baki kisang man yakren bamangla bapong jinglang ka BPP wala perlu slap kan ram baik hagat kapor isno ban aing di play nama kata ka jinget ka jing syana ka jungi dalam ba scam how to play bagi syakri tekani ka jinglang antarong ay kanong ka jinglang ka job agar begini awak bantu syai ya katakan nomrim bapak anda pensiun tu
kamdai ke parti kabang dan yang kata ke jio i jinai ini ke parti kemudian yang kata ke vision bagi keren kektian hari vision dalam pernah sekian kasih kamu ke jio i jinai nah kalian jauh voice of the people party ngidon dia ke jio i jinai ngimdai ke parti kebanyakan malah iupaba ngimtip shadow nilai nangne syakban ajukannya ini kum kejalan ilayat sanpoitli kisnem agaknya ada tiga jenis kum kejalan bagi sanpoitli kisnem kimdai kisnem kebelang lingkut ini kisnem keba iba kum kejalan balangi sim ka kerta kum kejingem beriu san puisden dari kerta kaba i kaba biang kaba long tin train kaba lalu well settled hak juisan ni biang lo hai kita baro hak jingum belum beriu abang lakot hak kerta ke sanpo ai sedang Henry kaba sosi pakalong abang pai abidi ke jela ke jungi pan sanpo ai trik sedang nilaian Henry kaba sosi pakalong ba abang pek serum sedang abang siap abidi baki benta baro atau ke jela ke jungi kadentang ke jungi hiar arsut hai benta baro pai Saku kuliah ke putih, ke jela ke juni menor, latip ya ka akong kita ke educational hub, jong ke jela jong ke thai mingi baro baro ke phai pat, sa kanong ba Shillong, ban pendet ya ke jing kuliah ke juni, henry sosi kadong, kadang ya kisi, ba kham tam menta, bar kini kisi bandet PE po ke KHUBOR ke bami, ba ke jela ke juni, kadang satrai du, hari ba ke kuliah ke putih.
Ketenat enforcement jong ke KHADC kadang yai beteng mentalasi bat pet sani ki trading license jong ki trai dukan ki bam dei riu luom hanong po khat sau trek Naitung. Hakani ke jing talasi lalap lai teli ki dukan jong ki briu ki bam dei riu luom ki ba penyat ye ki kam khayi bat demata klem don kenu ke trading license na ki board jong ke KHADC. Ki officer enforcement ki lakhang talai kini gelai teli kedukan bat lakhot hajar ki ban wanch office KHADC hapoch posngi ban ai ki juba alor kini ke khai pateng bean claim trading license.
Kenapa nggak seperti ini?
Narendra Kumar
identification kerja teribet bukan jelas. Bulut. Yep. Driving license. Hah? Hello. हम दुकान में है तो हम बात किया सब लोग के साथ तो हाँ हमको तो पूछा दुकान किसका बोला दुकान तो हम भरा दिया तो उन लोग मतलब आपका लाइसेंस जो ट्रेडिंग लाइसेंस आप जब दुकान रखा आप लाइसेंस बनाया कि नहीं कहाँ रखा अब वो सब मैं भेजा उसू तो नहीं है बोला सब बोला उसू जिससे कम से कम नहीं है उन देखा था लेकिन उसू जिससे का लाइसेंस नहीं है हाँ
Kakenhun achek conscious holistically integrated krema achek ha kabagi khot jangka kithia sha thangal khmat community secretariat dakop grade tura kalayai ban bandawan ka sarkar jilla ban yo kintiu nong ba talang bat buroi aikam black log yeki khun achek ki baladu e yeki baha jangki kini ki snem balala Kabarni Thamarak General Secretary ka achek kalakan taj mardor ke jingkren jong menteri rangba konrad ki sangma ubalaong ba sarkar kamla shu ban kini iki kam negitu ki ba kalathung ban ai shiki achek Kabarni Thamarak kalam minjur da ka baong ba kinhun achek ru kam kwa ban weng kam ye ki balathung Henry kadawa na ka sarkar badai ban buroi ne compensate iki samla achek ki baladuk e khamakha ya ka bha akini kisan post nemtam Hakanu kadur kata kajing buroi ye ki kam bakani ka kenhun kadawa na ka sarkar na ka benta ki samla achek kani kadong yalam kam shimla batai kumno banle.
Rethought about backlog. It would be a prospective one, what I am given to understand. And Chief Minister, what he have stated, he was saying something about what do you call termination of jobs from 80s, 90s or 2005. I have never come across, to best of my knowledge, we have never demanded about any termination from Garo Hill side till in any paper or any official, or neither when last time he came in Circuit House. He said he came for consultation, but that time he just came to give an explanation about that roster system. And he told at that time to our delegates also, and to those who were present at the conglomeration of all NGOs, he have said that the consultation we will do afterwards. And there was no such consultation what he has said today, what we have seen. And with regard to what Sim was telling, it's beyond our knowledge. Who is demanding that termination, that of 80s, 90s? We are here to harm no one. Why will be after those 80s, 90s employees? So what he has told, it's beyond apprehension, our comprehension. What he told today with regard to termination, we don't know about this, but we are sad today to say that what CM has told, it's very clear that he won't be going retrospective. He won't be looking for that backlog policy. And what he have said, that he have already consulted the NGOs from Garo Hills. I don't know with whom he has consulted, but with us he have never consulted. And number two, with regard to mini secretariat, what Madam had just told before, mini secretariat is just it's like an administrative for administrative convenience for the present government, and it's too late for us. Mini secretariat, they can give to Joai, they can give to Nongstoin, but Garo Hills is a different matter. Now reservation is also different matter for Garo Hills. So we this, with regard to winter capital, it's a long overdue. It's been a long, what do you call, overdue promise which our forefathers, our founders of state like Nicole Stroy, Captain Sangma, Didi Lapang is still alive, Maham Singh, he was a Khasi MLA, and Confirm Singh, his brother, he was also cabinet minister. What's his name? Arbin Son. They, all those founding members, they have, that discussion was there. Our all secretariat member who are now very old, already retired, we have talked with them, and our elders who are alive today, even from their team, from their first founding leaders, our founders of our state, we have still, Didi Lapang is still there. So they have, that discussion was there from the inception of, from the beginning for winter capital. Even when they had a meeting here, some political programmers there, 1972 and even before, Captain Sangma and all, they held a meeting here. They were talking about winter capital. So it is not new. It depends on government. We don't care whether it's autumn capital or summer capital or spring capital, but we need a second capital here in Garo Hills. And as if you see the what time is coming, even if you see geopolitical or what the map of India, now new bridges coming up in Phulbari. So Garo Hills is going to be main hub in Northeast India. So whether government accepts it or not, we will be like Delhi and Mumbai. We are bound to be going. It will become a commercial capital one day or the other. If you see a map, Garo Hills is much nearer to, compared to Shillong, Guwahati, Imphal, Manipur. What do you call, Aizawl? So Garo Hills is going to be an economic center. That's why Japan is building, it's investing here in Myanmar, in Bangladesh. Why Modi came? Why?
Good evening, everybody. Okay, few hours earlier only, we were seeing our this one respected CM's interview, whereby he had said that it is not possible to terminate all those people, all those employees who had been appointed in the year 1980s, 90s and all. So in this regard, I would like to say that, sir, we have never ever in our office memorandum or in our this one petition or anywhere in our interview and whatsoever, we have never asked for the termination or the resignation of those already appointed employee. But what we are asking is that to fill up those backlog, because due to the wrong administrative in the past, this one our brother, our Arctic brothers and sisters, they have been deprived from their right, means where they were where the seat was supposed to be distributed among the Hindu tribe brothers and among the Arctic tribe. And it is a very much clear evidence from the material and the data available that if we go through the data and all, that our Arctic tribe in all the department, the ratio is like 10:100. So what we are asking is that in order to compensate the loss which we have suffered for almost more than 50 years, just to compensate us in the way of filling up those in the way of filling up those backlog. and we are not asking for anyone's termination, and we are not in favor of the termination of those already appointee employees also. And in another issue, that is in regard with the establishment of the mini secretariat in Tura. In regard with this, I would also like to say that, sir, establishment of mini secretariat and the establishment of the winter capital is totally two different things. And these two are not to be mixed up, because mini secretariat can be established by the state government for their convenience, for their administrative convenience, whereas the winter capital, as we have already known, that winter capital is our prolonged agreed and promise to our Arctic, to our tribe, where at the right from the inception of our this one Meghalaya state, it was totally agreed by all our this one hill state movement leaders to establish two capital, one in the Shillong and one in the Garo Hills. So, sir, we are just asking you for the execution of the agreement that has been already agreed by our forefathers to establish the winter capital in Garo Hills. And in regard with the mini secretariat, you may or you may not establish, but we are firm in demanding. But we are firm that this one that we demand winter capital in Garo Hills, because winter capital is our right, because which has been already promised to us by our forefathers.
Bat dak itu ki khubor ngila poisya kabakut tak haduk penginesiam biang kublai shibot.